Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you the best homemade ranch salad dressing. Let me take you over the ingredients to get started. The first thing we will need is half cup of regular milk. The second thing we will need is half cup of mayo. The third ingredient we will need is sour cream. We will need half cup of sour cream. Now we will need to mix all these three ingredients together until they're smooth. It looks like it's smooth enough right now. Let's set it aside now. And now what we need to do is to grab a separate bowl to put all of our spices in there. The first thing we will need to do is to add 1 teaspoon of dill. Second ingredient we need is half teaspoon of parsley. Half teaspoon of chives. And now we need 1/4 teaspoon of onion powder. The next thing we need is half teaspoon of garlic powder. We will also need some salt, about 1/4 teaspoon of salt. And 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. Now let's mix all of our ingredients. And let's add it to our creamy mixture. Let's mix them together. And finally, one more ingredient is about a teaspoon of lemon juice. Now all of the ingredients are mixed. We can put it in a mason jar if you would like, or any jar that you have. Alright guys, right now we have a homemade ranch dressing that you can keep in your fridge up to 1 week. I promise you one thing, that all the family members in your house, they will love it and they will enjoy it. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching today's video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, and leave a comment below. And until next time, I'll see you guys later. Bye!